Okay, so what can you do when you want to put these small earpiece, magnetic inductive earpiece inside your ear? The earpiece not remain touch your eardrum. This kind of situation is very rare, but it can happening. It can happening sometime. This is because the how stay the earpiece inside your ear depend the anatomy for individual person. So what you what can you do in this kind of situation? First of all, you have to remove the earpiece. You have to use this magnetic, the black magnetic, okay, to remove, put inside, put in the front of your ear and press and rotate, okay, screw the black magnet, and the earpiece must remove, must get out from your ear, and you have to put it back. Try many times. If not stay, you can put two earpiece. Okay, I lost one. Let's get another one from here. But keep in mind, not put one after another one. Put both in the same time. Okay, so put like this. First, you can try with only two small size. Put inside this tool and put in inside your ear and try if it's work more better with two. If not, you can put three, but not more. Three and all must you put all three in the same time. If not okay, you can try to use uh, the second size of this kind of earpiece. Use first one. This is a little more big and maybe can stay more easy inside your ear. If not stay, again remove, okay, and put two. But the same is very important to put both in the same time, not one after another one, and not more three. Not put more three because it's too big and can remain stuck inside your ear. Why is the which one is the reason for cannot stay this kind of earpiece? This kind of earpiece is very small, and the principle of working, he requests the this piece of magnet to touch your eardrum. If you not touch, not you not hear nothing. You cannot hear anything. So when you walking, when you move a little bit more harder your head, the earpiece can fallen down, or maybe not fallen down, but he not touch your anymore your eardrum, and in this case you not hear nothing. Or maybe the sound is okay, and if you move a little bit, the sound is not okay. This is because the earpiece is moving inside your ear and not touch correctly your eardrum. So this is the reason for you have to put the earpiece until you want to use, and not from home. And if you have to walking to or to driving some distance, try to put before go in the hall, in the area where you want to, in the room where you want to use. This is very important because from vibration the earpiece can falling down and you cannot hear nothing. So if this my advice didn't work, you cannot do anything anymore. This is because your air have a special anatomy, so the earpiece cannot stay there. In this situation, you can use this one. This one is a little more big, but he no need to touch eardrum, cannot remain stuck there. Is impossible to remain stuck, and is more safe to use. This one or this second one, a little more smaller. Or another way you can use another device. This skin color earpiece, because it's very easy to use. Maybe you think is big, but is not so big. Is enough smaller for you can put inside your ear and not see nothing. You have to push with your small finger, push until you cannot be see anything from the outside of your ear. And another more advantage of this device, you can use without any wire. You no need wire. For example, this kind of earpiece, magnetic earpiece, he works only with the neck lobe. If you don't have neck lobe, didn't work. So you have wire on your body. This one, you no need to have wire. Is more easy to hide and it's very easy to use. The earpiece is very easy. No need to complicated rules. This kind of earpiece, you must follow exactly the quick start guide and follow the rules for can use.